Hey coach, if you're still sending Google Docs and copy-pasted worksheets to your clients, this is your sign to stop. Your coaching isn't DIY, so why are your tools? As a web designer, brand strategist, and highly paid Kajabi course creator, I know how hard it can be to create a coaching program that looks stunning and delivers outstanding results every time. Therefore, I'm so excited to introduce the Signature Worksheet Suite. I built this for the coach who's ready to package her process like the premium offer it actually is. Because if you're delivering transformation, but still repeating yourself every week, or if your clients are asking for structure and you're still working on that workbook, that's not strategy, that's missed opportunity. The Signature Worksheet Suite gives you everything you need to clarify your method, create client-ready worksheets, and finally deliver with polish, without spending hours in Canva. You get a quick start training, a strategic step-by-step playbook, and 50+ beautiful editable Canva templates. The full suite officially launches on June 16th. But right now, founding buyers get a little extra love because early believers deserve to be spoiled. For just $22 now through Monday, you'll get an exclusive early access invitation when the suite is ready before launch, the best price this suite will ever be offered. Next week, Tuesday, the public presale begins. But if you already know this suite is what you've been missing, then click the link in description to get started. This is your window to step in before the doors open wide. This isn't about giving them more to do, it's about giving your brilliance a format so your impact lasts long after the lesson or call ends. Your clients want structure, your offers need systems, and you deserve tools that match your magic, and I'm here to help. So again, tap the link to claim your founding buyer spot below, and let's build a system that supports transformation and finally reflect the work you're here to do. No fluff, no pressure, just clarity, strategy, and support done beautifully. I'll see you in the suite.